Understanding Open Floor Plan, a guide to modern living spaces. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and modern concept in architecture and interior design: the open floor plan. This term is widely used in housing, real estate, and design discussions, so understanding it can be quite useful. Let's dive in. An open floor plan refers to a house or an apartment where walls and doors do not separate major living spaces. In a traditional home, rooms like the kitchen, living room, and dining room are divided by walls. In contrast, an open floor plan combines these areas into one large, open space. This design makes the interior feel more spacious and connected. The concept of the open floor plan has evolved over the years. It gained popularity in the mid-20th century, as people started favoring more fluid and interactive living spaces. These plans cater to a more casual and inclusive lifestyle, where families and guests can interact more easily, even when doing different activities like cooking, dining, or relaxing. One of the main benefits of an open floor plan is the sense of space and light. Without walls blocking sunlight, these homes often feel brighter and larger. They also offer more flexibility in terms of interior design and furniture placement. Additionally, open floor plans are great for entertaining guests, as they allow hosts and visitors to interact freely. While open floor plans have many benefits, they also come with challenges. The lack of walls means less privacy and can sometimes lead to noise issues. It also requires more thoughtful decoration and organization, as the entire living space is visible from each area. We hope this video helped you understand what an open floor plan is and why it's a popular choice in modern homes. Whether you're discussing real estate, watching home renovation shows, or simply interested in interior design, knowing about open floor plans is quite useful. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful English language content.